Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can earn at least $600 every month passively without doing anything but just registering with this website. If you guys are new here, please do subscribe to the channel because this is all we do here, alpha content and financial freedom. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, this website only works for my US viewers out there. I will be doing a worldwide series coming soon, so please subscribe and stay tuned for that. Alright guys. The website is called Neighbor.com. It's a platform where you can rent out free places in your house, whether it be a basement, a room, maybe your attic, to anyone that wants to rent out your place for any storage they might need. As you can see here, many of these listings are starting from $50, so you can earn a lot of money from this passively by not even doing anything. So maybe if you're staying with your parents, if you're a younger teenager, or maybe just a younger individual staying with your parents, or maybe it's your own place where you have free space just around the house, it's a good way to earn money by not doing anything, guys. Step number one is just to sign up, and that's it. Sign up on their platform and just get your listing out there. Then just sit back and relax and wait for the listings to come in. Some people had reported earning $150 a week, so it is a great source of income if you just have some free space lying around, and it's a good passive income as well. You don't have to do anything. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.